telling you.
I'm gonna buy me a dog. My girl, let me know how. Don't ruin my song. Where's the verse? She used to bring me my newspaper.
You don't even know where it's at.
She knew where it was at. She used to keep me so contented. But I can teach a dog to do that. I'm gonna buy me a dog.
You couldn't teach a dog to do that. You can only train elephants.
Cause I need a friend now.
I need a friend now.
Now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna buy me a dog.
A dog here on a vital spot.
My girl, let me know how. 1,
2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hike!
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 I was late on that one. I just got back from Africa, you know. I was playing cards with the natives.
Oh, Zulus?
No, I usually won.
I wish I had a glass of water.
Why, you thirsty?
No, I want to see if my neck leaks. I buy a raccoon, but John already has one.
35
Come
bucks.
in. I'm gonna buy me a dog.
Dog.
Dog?
Yeah.
Cause I need a friend now.
Yeah, yeah.
Boop boop, shabab bop, ramble lamb. I'm gonna buy me a dog. What my girl don't let me know how. How?
Now,
brown cow. I think I'm gonna buy me a dog, yes sir. I'm gonna buy me a dog. If I was looking for a word to describe what I'm gonna buy, I think dog would be the word. It would be dog. That would come springing from my lips. Dog. It'd be springing from my...
Can you turn it up, please? Can somebody open the door and let us out? They're coming to take us away.